Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. So today we're opening up one old subscription, meaning old to our channel, we've opened it many times, and one new. This is actually not brand new, we've opened it a while back, but it seems like it's been a long time that it is new. So the old subscription is Heaven Panty, and the new is She Matters by Boxed In. So I think I'm gonna make this kind of like a series on our channel, kind of like a Wheel Wednesday, but it won't be like every week or anything like that. I'm pretty sure I've done it before, but I think it's fun, and it's only 2 boxes, so I know there's a big polarity there. Like when I did that poll a while back, like half of you guys like single unboxings and half like mega unboxings, so like multiple boxes. So 2 is like, you know, in the middle, pretty quick still. So hopefully it is fun for everyone. I know it is for me. Before we get started and talk about the boxes and open them, I want to take a quick moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them pretty much every single day here on our channel, so if you love them too, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That means so much to me. And let's get started. How about we start off with the new box? So it's kind of heavy. I'm psyched to see what's inside it. So She Matters is a self-care box made for women, and this is what the outer packaging looks like. I pulled up their website just because I wasn't like positive about all the information. It says taking the guesswork out of self-care and making it more accessible for you. I think that's super important. Self-care has changed my life pretty much. Taking it like just before, like earlier in life, I just thought it was kind of like selfish, or like, I don't know, someone can relate, I'm sure. I just didn't, maybe I just didn't believe I deserved self-care or something. I don't know. It sounds messed up, but like once I started taking like time every morning, like I'm gonna be showing, I always said like I showed you, you guys don't know yet. I'm doing a day in the life vlog right now, so that'll be on the new channel, Kitty Outside the Box, which I'll link below if you are not yet subscribed to that channel. But yeah, I take time out every morning to do self-care and like journal and all that stuff, and it has changed my life, like for real. When I open it up, this is what it looks like. There's a note for me. It says, "Hi Kitty, we are so excited for you to review our box again. Can't wait to hear what you think." Awesome. And there's a code here. Gift code to get 10% off. I will link that down below. I'll link both the subscriptions and any promo codes down below like always. And then there's this little pamphlet here that talks about everything inside, and one of these says guided meditation. I am trying to incorporate that more into my life, and since meditation's new to me, guided meditation's helpful, which just means there's like some prompts and stuff, like someone's talking to you through their phone or whatever device you decide to use instead of just doing it on your own. So it talks about everything that's inside, and then it is so neatly wrapped. I always feel bad, I'm just like, let me rip it open. And let's get started. So right on top, cool. I love it. There's like even pink swigglies and stuff. But these are gloves, charcoal infused gloves. Get the most out of your shower accessories with these charcoal fiber gloves that not only remove toxins and oils from your skin, but also combat odor. Cool. Awesome. I'm excited about this. I feel like I've seen this product before, but never used them myself. And it helps prevent acne, it says in the back too. Nice. I don't know if it's allergic reaction or just like the change in my environment since I moved recently and I'm like more in a city than I used to be. I don't know. But I have some body breakouts like on my chest and my back. So I am definitely going to use that next time I shower. To be there later tonight or tomorrow. Because I just did take a shower wet here right now, if you can't tell. But let's move on. I've tried these masks before in the past, but it's been a long time. These are by Moly. This is the I'm Pomegranate mask and the I'm Rice mask. So one's for elasticity and one is for clear skin. Just to say now, I need help with clear skin. So awesome. I love sheet masks. And then, oh my god, how cool. This is by Gurananda Aromatherapy Natural Mist Room Spray. Made with 100% pure essential oil, and the fragrances are lemongrass, lime, and basil. And it's a 360-degree continuous spray. Oh, it's a very light mist. My nose is seriously running. Every time I film it, I mean, it happens all the time because I have allergies. I'm like, I can't smell anything. Oh, I definitely smell it now that I went like that. I can smell it. But I'm just going to take a quick little break and blow my nose since we're on that topic. Anyone else out there suffering from allergies right now? Is it an allergy time or is it because I moved? I don't know. How many times can I talk about moving in every video? Oh my god, I smell it so much now that my nose is full of ickies. This smells really good. Whoa, it's like so fragrant. What I can't believe that's how black my fragrance, or my nose was. Ooh, I recognize this brand, Manicadar. This is their Sea Mineral Champagne Charcoal Scrub. Is this I think I got this a long time ago in a subscription and I really liked it. I like scrubs. I always say this when I get them, but I like to use scrubs before I shave. And I like that that one has charcoal in it, just like those gloves, which can hopefully help my body acne issue. Do we have a book? Oh my god, yes. I love stuff like this. There's a book and a journal prompts that go along with it, I think. I don't know, maybe not. But it says, Finding My Crown 30-Day Self-Care Guide. Yes, look how cute this is. Oh my gosh, every day there's, this is awesome. So it talks about how to use it, and then there's like prompts every single day. What did you do for self-care today? Self-care reflection, did you laugh today? Brain dump, this work is worth it. It is, you guys. I was just talking about how journaling is so huge, and for me at least, I can only speak for myself, and I guess others too that have told me it helps so much. And then, last in the box, but not least, we have a book by Refinery29. This is Money Diaries. Everything you've ever wanted to know about your finances and everyone else's by Lindsay Stanberry. You guys, I really need to get better about like finances and stuff. This came at a perfect time because it's been on my mind. So I am super excited about this too. It looks really easy to read. Oh my gosh, yes. What they talk about different people and stuff. I just really like the layout of this. Oh my gosh. I like when it's not just all text and they're like give examples and stuff like that. I loved this. I think this was so great. You guys have to let me know what you think. But now let's open some panties. So Heaven Panty is a personalized panty subscription. When you subscribe, you actually get a panty stylist to help you pick out your panties. You can get between 1 and 2 pairs a month, starting at $9.99. I think your first month you get actually free. So after that, it's $9.99 for 1 pair a month or $16.99 for 2 pairs. And they're always so cute. They give you, when you sign up, you take a profile, or you build a profile by answering questions, and they ask you a lot, and you get to personalize it like by fabric type, by patterns, by color story, by like type of style of panties. And they even ask you about your sizing at other brands, and they also send you a measuring tape your first month to make sure that it fits. And you can update your style profile anytime. And the bags they come in are so cute. You can kind of get a sneak peek of the panties, like, see there. Oh my god, I see a pink lacy pair. So, yep. And then on the back it'll say style, and then you can scan the QR code for more information if you want. This is the Hipster / Bikinis Bean Pink Lacy. And you can get a lot of like cash back, or not cash back, like rewards or money to go towards future purchases if you review them and stuff like that. So I just really like this company, and it's definitely like more like sexy, cute panties, but they're definitely comfortable too. Like I love this pair so much. Oh my god. So it's a little sheer in the front, and then in the back there's some sheer parts like on the cheeky area. I think this is so cute. I love the color. Oh my gosh. And they'll give you information on like care instructions and all that. And also if you're not satisfied with your order, you can return it. So I think if you are into this type of panty, you should go for it, and you need some more. You're like rocking some from like, I don't know, I was going to say $19.99, but I hope you're not. You never know. But anyways, here is the second pair, and I love this too. It's like this beautiful navy blue, almost purple color. Like, what do they call it? I just like threw the bag down. Royal blue. Oh my gosh. Aren't these so cute? I love it. Oh my gosh. So awesome. I don't know if I can pick a favorite. I like both the styles and I like both the colors. Oh my god, together. I just love it so much. Yay, what a good unboxing day. I would love to know your thoughts. Do you get either of these? What do you think of these? Either way, any box recommendations, let me know. Let me know how you're doing. But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for being here. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. You guys seriously make my life so much better every single day. I love you. I hope you're all safe and healthy, and I will see you super soon. Bye, guys.